Hello, let's set up Revenue Inbox Managed package. Some of the extra features become available to end users with the package installed are extended use of Salesforce reports from the Revenue Inbox sidebar, the possibility to dock Revenue Inbox sidebar into Salesforce page, and for Revenue Engage Sales Engagement Platform users, the package allows to dock Revenue Engage tabs straight into Salesforce interface. Before installing the package, make sure that you have set up my domain name for your Salesforce organization and deployed it to all users. Follow the link for instructions on that. Now let's install the package. I'm on the knowledge base page where you find package installation link for the regular Salesforce production and a separate link for installation on Salesforce Sandbox. Click the package installation link, log into your Salesforce account. You must have admin permissions in your organization. And on this screen, indicate if you want to install the package for admins only, for all users in your organization, or for specific profiles. Then select the checkbox to permit installation and click the Install button in the lower right corner of the page. And the installation begins. If it takes too long to install the package, you will be notified about completion by the email. Click Done and you'll be directed to Install Packages page, and even before receiving the email, Revenue Inbox package has been successfully installed. The managed package is guaranteed to be secure, confidential, and free of any malicious content under RevenueGrid.com privacy and security policies. Then go to Custom Settings and click Manage on Invisible Package. And update values of Revenue Grid tenant URL and server sync tenant URL fields with URLs you receive from Revenue Grid support team. In case if you want to use your own connected app, update Canvas app value to a name of your app and blank out Canvas app namespace value. Then go to the App Manager and click Manage on Invisible Suite. Click Edit Policies and select the admin approved users or pre-authorized value in this drop-down. Then click Save. Then scroll down below and click Manage Policies. Choose Standard User and System Administrator profiles. Click Save and you are all set. Proceed to adding Revenue Grid widgets now.